I'm taking a lap around the yard. And Blizzard is following me all the way. Hi, kitty. She's following me all the way. And so are these guys. Hi, Buck. Piggy, piggy, here comes Piggy, piggy. Hello, hello, little ones. Man, that's the baby. The baby's growing up big now. Look at these pigs, how big they're getting. Annie and Boots want to go. Look what I found. Of course, Turbo gets it. He gets everything. Actually, they're not liking it really. They're eating the seeds. Whew, the grass is tall. Holy moly. This is flowing. Wow, it's so lush. Wow, look at this. What is this? He got hit the jackpot. That's Tank. Look at the pigs. They're running around with the pumpkins in their mouth. They like it. They're like, oh, it's green. Everybody has a little snack of green. Wonder who lives in these. A little ground squirrel or something. I better be careful where I step. This is the side I like. It's got all the rocks and everything and lots of very lush green grass and whatever this is. And the ducks are down by the pond and it's looking really gross.